Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon, and today I just got tired of rechargeable batteries, because it's just terrible. You either get lithium batteries that are real expensive, you get lithium rechargeable batteries that are real expensive, and this is my trash can. By the way, it uses six AA batteries. Regular AA batteries, they don't last. Lithium batteries, they're too expensive, and also the same thing, they don't last. So I figure, okay, I'm gonna be putting rechargeable batteries. Well, they cost about $5 each of rechargeable batteries. They're very expensive. But I tried it and it didn't work. Let me show you some of the rechargeable batteries that I use. Some of the batteries are these batteries here, these batteries here, rechargeable, and they didn't work. They didn't last. Terrible batteries. Then I went to some different batteries, these batteries here, and the same thing. I tried them. These batteries are like about $5 each. That's what's supposed to be on sale. Terrible. They don't last. Same thing. For that, I was using some, I don't want to say brands, but you guys know the brand of this battery. Anyway, there was some other lithium batteries. There was some cheap batteries from Harbor Freight, you name it. I tried all kinds of batteries. They just didn't work. So I just got tired of it. I decided just to run a wire here and put a transformer. It's a 12-volt transformer. Let me show you. It doesn't matter what it is. This is only a 12-volt transformer. It came from some appliance or device, whatever, and I don't care. It's a 12-volt DC transformer. So basically what I did is just put a transformer connected on the wall. Before that, I connected the wires inside my device there. Let me show you. So I just made a hole to the plastic here, run my wires inside, and I soldered my wires, soldered my wires to where the battery is supposed to be. And let me show you this setup. See here? That's what it is. Only two wires connected. No more batteries. I'm done with batteries. It's just too expensive, and I hate to be changing batteries all the time. And besides that, all my power is free. I'm using solar power for everything. So all my power here at the house comes from solar power, okay? And so I got tired of everything, changing batteries, wasting my own time and money, wasting time and money replacing these batteries, it's just crazy. So you see, I just go in here, turn on the switch, okay? So now the power's on, it's connected to the outlet, and you see, there, it's working. If I want to close it, I think it's this one, there, working again. And like I said, now it's free. I don't have to paying for batteries or wasting my time changing batteries, Buying real expensive batteries, like $5 each of the AA's. Think about this, $5 or more than $5 each. That's 6 batteries. They don't last. They're supposed to be rechargeable batteries. I have to pay for a charger too and everything. Just crazy. So $30 to put batteries to this thing. I had a transformer that was just sitting there. I figured just to put one, and I'm done. I gotta put another one on a different one. This one I could probably just reroute the wire and make it look nice. No big deal, But it's working. See that? It's supposed to be just 9 volts, and I put 12 just to have plenty of power. So we're good. It's working great. And I don't have to worry about, like I said, buying batteries anymore. I'm done with that. I had it. I was just tired of this. I tried all kinds of batteries that don't last. I don't care if they're real expensive lithium batteries, they just don't last. Because we use these things, we use the trash cans every single day. They're open and closing every single day. My grandkids come here, they play with those things, and they're they charge the batteries. But they're used to put trash. They're used several times a day. So they're just throwing money away by putting batteries to these things. I'm surprised they did it like that. They should have put some good rechargeable batteries or bigger capacity batteries to these things. Not to use AA batteries. That's terrible. But I guess this is the beginning. So whoever's making new ones, they should make them with bigger batteries that can last longer. With some good lithium quality batteries. But anyway, I'm done with this. Like I said, all my power comes from solar. So this is free to me now. Thank you guys. We need more subscribers. Have a good day. Bye.